Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today guys we are going to do a Dollar Tree swag, but it's going to be with a twist. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up our trees and we're going to prepare them to be joined together. We're going to do that by making sure all the branches are flat on one side, and then we're going to put them together with oh god, what you call them things, floor stems, and we're going to cut those up into threes, and we're just going to twist them around, and that's also going to fill in some of those gaps. And we're going to put some down at the bottom as well to cover up that seam down at the bottom. And if you do this right, you really won't need that much glue, but you just want to put a little bit there just to make sure that it doesn't fall off. And as you can see, we're just going to fluff it out. So once it's all fluffed out, you could go back in and fill in any spaces that you feel like is sparse. And then after you do all that, you set it aside and you bring out your ribbons. I have these three beautiful ribbons that I got from Walmart. Snowflake is 2.5. The stripes is 2, and the black is 1.5. And the black is not wired. It doesn't have any wire in it, but it works out really well anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut each piece down. First, I was going to do all of them at 15, but then I said no. Okay, let's do it this way. We're going to do the snowflakes at 12, the stripes at 10, and then we're going to do the black at 15. And the reason why we're going to do the black at 15 is because we're going to only have one loop of that one, and then we're going to have a just a circle in the middle. This is the easiest way to make a bow. And we're going to make 6 of the bundles of 3 of each, and we're going to ducktail the ends. And guys, you can ducktail the ends or you can put them at a point. Most people put them at ducktails because that's the norm, but the point will look nice too. So if you are cutting your ribbons and you accidentally cut it in the wrong way and you get that point, don't be discouraged. Just go with it because it's going to look good anyway. So I'm showing you how I'm going to stack them up. And now I'm showing you getting a clean end on all of them so I can go ahead and cut the ducktails. Now I'm going to show you, this is what I mean by the point. See, I'm cutting down instead of up. So when you cut down, you're going to get a point. And if you cut up, and you start cutting up on the soft end, you're going to get a point. So what you have to do is cut from the end that has the wire in it upward. And so I'm going to ducktail all of them, and once I finish ducktailing all of them, I'm going to put them in groups of 3, and then we're going to put them on the swag. So I'll be back after that. So now that we have all of them ready, we're going to go in and we're going to place our sets of threes. And we're going to start from, you can start with either end, and you can put as many ribbons as you would like up here. I'm going to put, for right now, I'm going to put one at the tip, one in the middle, and one at the top. And I'm going to see how that goes and see about the other three, where I'm going to place the other three at. So after we place the ribbons, and get them somewhat situated, as you can see, I'm puffing up the black little round ones to give it that little extra. And so after that, we're gonna place the largest ornaments first. So we have one huge ornament, large ornament, and we're going to make a spot for it. And all these ornaments pretty much come from, well, not pretty much, all of them come from Walmart. And I didn't pay no more. And I think that big ball right there was the most I paid. And I think that was $250. And everything else was, well, other than the ribbon, of course. But all the ornaments were less than $3. So I don't think that was a bad deal for the ornaments that I received. And see, I got the Joy and Noel black and white. And guys, this black and white swag is going downstairs in the foyer, because as you know, my foyer is black and white, a black and white theme. So that's where I'm placing this at. And I'm probably only going to have that plus the banister done. I'm not going to put up too much Christmas decorations this year. So as you can see, I'm just placing those. And once I finish placing those, I'm going to go to the next ones. And I'm filling everything in, and I'm bringing all the goodies out. I got flowers, I have picks, I have smaller balls. What else I have in there? And I'm just showing you, like, that was $1.49. And I love the ornaments that that Family Dollar has out for the black and white. I love that little present. And as you can see, that is the, I think that's, what is that called? A poinsettia. And I normally get those every year in different colors to go in my trees. And I'm just going to find a branch, and I'm going to stick those poinsettias in on one on either end. And then I'm going to find a place for my next largest, and I'm going to go from so on to so on until I get down to the smallest, and the smallest are going to be fillers. So just watch me as I decorate the rest of the swag. And guys, as you see, our title is called Dollar Tree DIY Swag with a Twist. Now here comes the twist. Now watch it. Watch it, watch it, watch it. See, guys, it's not just the swag, it's a centerpiece. It's doubled. So I'm going to have a candle in the middle along with a ribbon, a bow. And guys, this turned out so beautiful. I couldn't have asked for anything better. And now I'm going to do the bow. And so I'm just going to cut strips and I'm going to fold them in half. Nothing fancy. This is one of the easiest bows to make. Whether you just cut strips, fold them in half. Well, not half. Well, fold each side in half like this. Glue it down, and then you just make as many of those as you want, as large as you want to as small as you want. And I'm going to make, I think, three of each, three of the stripe, three of the snowflake, and I only think I'm doing one of the black, and that's going to be right in the middle along with that little roly thing. I don't know what you call it, but the middle of the bow. And then I'm going to cut tails for all three of them, and I'm going to cut the tails in staggering order. The snowflake is going to be the largest, followed by the stripes, followed by the solid black. And so after that, guys, I'm going to place the bow in the candle, and the next thing you're going to see is it being staged. So guys, I truly hope that you have enjoyed this DIY. I truly hope that you enjoy the twist to our swag, which turned out to be a centerpiece. I'm trying to do little things that's going to get us a little bit more excited to want to watch our videos for a longer period of time. So guys, if you can watch the video in its entirety, I would appreciate it. And if you have something to do, just put your favorite playlist of ours on and just let it play. Turn the volume down, let it play. And that way that we'll get the ads and we'll get the watch time as well. So if you can do that for me, I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly, truly, truly mean it. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the whole design. Let me know what you think about the colors, the ornaments and stuff I chose. Let me know what was your favorite ornament. What are your colors for your foyer in your house and your Christmas this season? And also, just leave me a comment and let me know how you're doing. Don't forget, if you're new to our channel, please leave us some purple hearts so we can show you some love. And we will hope that you join our family. So guys, if you see those purple hearts, you know what you got to do. You got to go welcome our new family members. So guys, again, I love you. Thank you for all that you do for me, my family, especially my grandchildren, because mostly our DIY funding goes to my grandchildren for birthday presents, Christmas presents, and just for me to save up for them for when they need money. So once again, please let it play as much as you can, the playlist, and also the commercials, so we can get the funds for the commercials. And there we go, guys. Here's the finished product. So guys, I talked you all the way through. I was going to just let you listen to music, but once I start talking to you guys, I can't stop because I just love my YT family. Guys, those mercury glass double-ended candle holders are also on our site. So, or if you want to know how to make those, you can look those up, and it's going to be up under the Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree DIY playlist. So, guys, I am finished talking. I love you guys, and I will see you in our next video.